Alright, welcome back. Today I'm just answering a quick question of what is a HTML element, which I will change this document to while we were doing our testing. So basically a HTML element is defined by a start tag, then some content usually, and an end tag. So an element would be like a P for paragraph, and then some text, and then the closing P tag. So the whole element is this, which you got your start, which tells the browser that this is a paragraph, then you've got content, and then you've got your end element. So this whole thing is a paragraph element. Another element that you would see often in a HTML document is a unordered list element. And this actually has nested items in it. You can put a UL first, then an LI. So you've got unordered list, and then you've got list item, and then you've got some content. So this is our list, item 1, close the LI tag. And then you've got, this is a list element, and this is actually an unfinished, unordered list element. So then we have to close this one as well. And that is our whole element there. And then this is the list item element. So an element is an opening and a closing tag and then some content. So if we wanted to change this element into a ordered list with some numbers in it, you could actually go list 2, and then we change this UL to an OL, and then we'll actually add 1 and 2 to our list items automatically. So that is then the P or paragraph element, and we have our list element. So that's a nice quick video for today. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.